As you see here, we just purchased ourselves a Woods Solar Camp Light Large. This is something new by Woods. It's for camping, or it can be used for emergencies in case of an emergency power outage. Here's what it looks like out of the box. There are instructions, and it also comes with USB cord for charging, quick charging for a computer. This is your power button, and here is your modes. No, sorry, this is for charging, emergency charging of a phone or another device, and computer with the USB cord. Okay, we're going to check it out, let you know how it goes. There's a solar panel on top, which is the feature I really like when you're camping or if there's an emergency and you can't find your batteries. It's made by Woods. It's new. It's pretty cool. This is like rubber. It's not very big either. It stands about almost 6 inches, I'd say. We've left the new Woods solar lantern in the sun for about 3 or 4 hours. Now we're going to try it. Oh, that's quite bright. Excellent. A little bit lighter. And this one is candle. It's candle flicker. It's quite a good effect. And the next one is a red light for an emergency. That's really cool. So far so good. I really like the new product by Woods. Great little lantern for camping or for emergencies. Well, we plugged in the cell phone and it is charging with the new Woods solar panel lantern. There's some green lights in there indicating power is getting to the cell phone. Good to see that. There's the solar panels again. Awesome product by Woods. This is the large one. It's new. Here's your power button. And I would highly recommend this. If you're ever camping in the woods and your phone was dead and you need to make a call, there you go. You need a light. If the power's out, you've got an emergency lantern. Awesome product. It sells right now at Canadian Tire for $26. Thanks for watching.